JJ.
Jay, look at Granny. She's doing
These leaves are different.
video.
This is some kind of
Choo.
pin oak or something.
Achoo.
Similar tree, whatever it
Uh-oh,
Jay
where is he?
is. We have a live oak. There's some
Don't
resistant
do
little
this to me,
trees. We have one in our
Mom.
front yard that was planted too young, wasn't planted right now, and it grows. And first the trunk broke in half and was split for like this far on it. And all I did was use some of that like bush tape and tape it back together.
Managed to heal.
Yeah, and it healed and grew, but like the stump or the good part tried to go around the old part. But now it's doing it at the bottom again in like 3 different places. Half of it looks like a trunk inside of a trunk growing. It's really weird. Somehow it keeps going. Every time we have a bad summer, I'm like, that's it, it's gone. Go out there in the morning, it's there, but my neighbor's tree's broken out. Mine's this little stinky little thing. Resistant little thing. I don't know why.
Did